Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn follow strategy for recruiters. Quick tutorial step by start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down to the activities section on your profile. Click on See All Activity to access your engagement history. On this page, switch to the following tab to view accounts you currently follow. Identify any recruiters or recruitment agencies that you want to re-engage with. Unfollow accounts that no longer align with your professional goals. To follow new recruiters, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in relevant keywords like recruiter or specific industries you're interested in. Browse through the list of profiles and companies that appear in the search results. Click on the follow button next to the profiles of recruiters you wish to connect with. To ensure you're up to date, visit the My Network tab found at the top of the home page. Click on Manage on the right side of the page to review your connections. Look for any recruiters that may no longer be active or relevant. Consider unfollowing or disconnecting from them to streamline. Engage with the content from recruiters you follow by liking, commenting, or sharing their posts. This interaction increases your visibility and strengthens your connection with them. Check your own connections and see if you can add value with recommendations or introductions. Regularly review your following strategy every few months to keep it aligned with your career goals. By refining your LinkedIn follow strategy, you'll enhance your network and open doors to new opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.